Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. What are the major updates coming from US market? Now, Dow Jones closed at 289 points negative. Nasdaq and S&P closed very flat. Now, before that, we move to another numbers. Let's talk about crude oil and Brent crude. Now, if you look at the crude oil now is at $92.28 and Brent oil is now at $97.66 per barrel, because of which the fear amongst the investors has increased again. The crude oil prices, Brent oil prices have increased significantly. However, it touched close to 97, 99, 98. From there, it cooled off, but still the prices are very high. Now, there has been tensions in the Strait of Hormuz. Some ships has been attacked, and because of which the prices of the crude oil has shot up. So people are in America and too in India and all over the world. Look at Asian markets. Asian markets are also very flat to negative because of all this geopolitical tensions. So US market, that's why the US market corrected heavily, closed at 290 points negative. So the number one reason why the fear amongst the investor has increased is because of the rise in crude oil prices. When the crude oil prices will rise, there's a chance of inflation also to rise. So there's a fear amongst the investors all over the market, not only in Indian market, not only in American market. Look at look at this Japan market, look at DAX, look at all these countries, they all are trading in negative. So all these things are indicating that fear is still there in the market. Still, globally, we don't have stability yet, and because of which SGX Nifty, look at SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is showing a gap down opening of 130 points. Clearly, FII in previous session, they have sold close to 6,267 crores. And DII, they bought close to 4,700 crores. You won't believe, in just 9 days, FII have sold close to 50,000 crores. That's the level of FII selling is in our market. So brutal selling coming from FII, and in just 9 days 50,000 crores is an insane number. That's what we have been seeing. So yes, very bad for our market for very short to medium term. However, DIA have supported our market and bring the liquidity in the market. Now, the another reason that we have to watch and monitor very closely is the rupee. Rupee is now trading at all time, or still trading at all time low, close to $92. So yes, another thing that is affecting our market is rupee. Rupee is at $92, right? Crude oil is at 92, Brent crude is at 92, rupee is at 92. So yes, all the thing is at 92, which is very uncomfortable for our market and not good for long term. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday we fell close to 394 points in Nifty. Now the support is at 23,800. I think looking at the XDX Nifty, we may open below 23,000, right? So now the support will become at 24,000 psychological level, and the support is now kicking in at 23,800. After that, 23,500 looks the support for Nifty. In Bank Nifty fell by 1,200 point. Now the support is looking at 55,000 and the resistance now is at 56,000. Today the India inflation print is coming out for the February month, that we have to watch very closely. After all this tariff, after all this geopolitical tensions, what will be the inflation rate, that we have to watch very closely. So these are the important things. Today the Sensex expiry is there. So yes, still what's my view in the market? Still it's a wait and watch market for me. For very short term, I said 23,800 will be the support, but yesterday we lost all the gain. In a single trading session, we lost all the gain, right? So you understand the level of selling that is there in our market. As of now, FII are 88% short in this market and they are only 22% long. Another again, the FII short stats are increasing and their long stats are decreasing. So yes, they have been adding non-stop shorts in for our market. So yes, still looks like 28,800 will not be held in today's session. Below this, then 23,500 doors are open. So, but still, I don't think so. It will be a free fall. It will be a slow downward momentum from pullback to pullback. It will come with time. So yes, still market structure is bad. Yesterday we have discussed in detail that market structure from higher levels are not looking good, and we saw some 394 points downfall in yesterday market. So yes, you can say it God grace, you can say it anything, but yet still we don't have any positions whatsoever. Think about people who have long positions in stocks. Think about people who have long positions in indexes, right? They have been wiped out from this market. Remember, we still have the bullets. We will launch very, very soon, and once we launch, it will hit the eye bull. So yes, this is my view. Still wait and watch market for me. I don't have any positions whatsoever, neither in stocks nor on indexes, no short positions, no long positions. Whenever I'll take position, I'll come and tell you pre-market that yes, today I'll be taking the positions. So yes, thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care, and remember, trade with stop loss. Bye.